Hello Kate, I am Coach Kuo, your coach for today, and I will be teaching you the different grips and the history of the table tennis. So first is table tennis is also known as ping pong because it began in England in the late 1800s. It actually started as an indoor version of lawn tennis where people played after dinner. They use everyday objects such as books, as nets, champagne corks as balls, and even cigar boxes as paddles in table tennis. So later, the manufacturers created proper rackets covered with pimpled rubber, which made the game more faster and more skillful. So the name ping pong came from the sound of the ball when it is bounced back and forth. Basic rules and regulation in terms of playing table tennis. So the first one is, yung game is played up until to 11 points. So kailangan yung player is makaroon siya ng ahead of 2 points para manalo sa isang game. Next is, player must serve the ball by tossing it up to 6 inches. And next is, each player gets two serves before switching. So basically, each player meron siyang 2 times para mag-serve bago mag-switch na naman sa opponent niya para mag-serve yung opponent niya. And lastly, a rally continues until one player fails to return the ball. So tuloy-tuloy pa din naman ang rally, pero nasa-stop yung rally pag yung kalaban mo is nagkamali at napabounce back niya yung bola sa table niya. Which is, ang rule kasi sa table tennis, kailangan yung bola magbabounce back to the opponent's table. Now, I will teach the proper gripping in table tennis. So first, you need to raise your left hand for the handshake of the racket. So tatas mo yung left hand mo, ilalagay mo itong left hand mo dito. Dapat nakaganon siya dapat sa racket. And then, after placing your hand, you must put your palm into the racket. Yan. And then slightly glide and up until mag-make ka ng check sa likod and gantong index mga fingers sa kabilang side. So basically, pag nag-glide siya, magiging ganito yung proper gripping. Yan. So, tama yan. So, ganyan. And after yan is, this is the proper handshake of playing table tennis. So, in terms naman of proper form and stance, so, nakahawak ka na ng maayos sa grip, kailangan hindi yung finger mo na to, hindi siya dapat dito kasi possible na matamaan siya ng bola. So, and after yan is, ang proper stance naman, ganyan. So, ang proper stance naman is, dalawang paa. Yan, dapat equal yung distribution ng weight. Yung kamay is straight, and then onti-onti mo siyang i-bend. Yan, and then yung racket, slightly bend. Pero hindi siya bend na bend. Slightly bend. Tapos tama lang yung form ng kamay mo, may space between your armpit para madaling magaling yung form mo. So, tama na kaganyan. And then, slightly bend your knee and lean forward. And then, your hand is like this. So, yan. So, tama yung form. Tama yung kamay na nakaganyan, naka-rest. Para, kasama siya sa sway. So, that's the proper stance of a table tennis. So, next one is, I will be teaching on how to proper shadowing of forehand hit. So, ang forehand naman natin, ang proper forehand is slightly to your right and into your left. Yan. So, pag ganyan. Ganon. Yan. And then, slightly up. So, parang nagaganon-ganon yung paa mo. And then, 1. And then, 2. And then, 1. And then, 2. 1, 2. Now, we will delve into the proper foreshadowing of the backhand. Ang backhand is nasa harap. From your left to right naman siya. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nakaganyan. The 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the proper way of a backhand.